Good evening, guys. So, Sahu and other guys, I'll take, 40 minutes of half an hour or 40 minutes. Let's see. One topic, three phase, I'll finish. Single phase tomorrow, we can start. Tomorrow, I'll wind up the machines. So, let me finish that. Last topic in three phase induction motor is speed control. Speed control of induction motor. How do we control this speed of induction motor? So, I told you already, 80-85% motors are induction motors. So, how do you want to control this one? For example, mathematical expression है हमको n equal to 1 minus s ns. ये वाला स्पीड है n equal to 1 minus s into ns. तो first one is slip control. Slip control. In the slip control, first one is voltage control method. Voltage control. So what will happen in the voltage control method? For example, and जब आप अपने स्पीड को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं उस समय yeah, can you hear me all guys? I think you can hear me, right? Okay, fine. Can you all hear me? Okay, fine. Okay, cool. Yeah, please listen. So because I'm just traveling, so a little bit very cold. So what I was saying is voltage control me. So how do you want to control the slip? Look at here now. One thing is slip increase kar do. The slip is increased. The speed of the motor decreases. You increase the slip, for example, 1 minus yes maximum 1 रखो तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. Slip को decrease करो 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. So speed kind of increases. So how do you want to control the slip basically? For that, torque has to be constant. What is the expression for the torque here? Let me write torque equal to 3 by omega s I2 dash whole square by s. ये वाला torque expression है. I hope you remember this one. हमने air gap power से हमको निकाल दिया ये वाला. So what are we doing here now? After substituting the voltage values, if you remember, are in terms of voltage, 3 by s, current को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? I told you V phase square and R2 dash right, jx2 R2 dash by s whole square x2 dash whole square by R2 dash s. So R2 dash by s, we have seen that R2 dash by s is pretty much greater than x2 dash. तो हम क्या कर दिया? So इसको neglect कर दिया x2 dash को. So what will happen? Final expression, torque is 3 by omega s SV phase square by R2 dash. What is this one here? Why I have written this tall? Please understand this one. For a constant torque, when the voltage is decreased, slip increases. Look at the scenario. Voltage is decreased, slip increases. You can see the increase of the slip. When the slip is increased, ये दोनों कैसा आएगा? From this expression. When slip is increased, speed decreases. ये वाला expression कहाँ से आया? This expression has come from this one. N equal to 1 minus S ns. V decreases, slip increases from here. When the slip increases, slip बढ़ेगा, तो समय speed घटेगा here. You can make out that. दिक्कत क्या है? इसे हमको दिक्कत क्या होगा? दिक्कत ये है कि देख लो इधर, ये वाला expression में when the slip is kind of increased, इधर slip increase हो रही, when the slip increases, current भी increase होना चाहिए. So what is the sequence? From this expression, when voltage increases or decreases, rather I would say, voltage decreases, हमने कम कर दिया, slip increases, slip बढ़ा दिया, लेकिन when the slip increases, current also kind of increasing here now. So what is overall happening? Decrease of a voltage increases the current. Decrease of a voltage increases the current. So this is a disadvantage. It creates a heating. So more heating is, heating is kind of generated here now. So that's the reason we don't prefer this method. In under slip control method, voltage control to decrease the speed, reduce the speed कम करने के लिए voltage को कम करना चाहिए. लेकिन क्या हो रहा है, जब आपने voltage को कम किया, उस समय current का value, induction motor draws more amount of current for constant torque. Are you with me, guys? Please mention that point. You have a point. Please write down in a statement. Please write down the statement here. When the voltage decreases, slip increases, and speed decreases. Slip increases, speed decreases. But to maintain the constant torque, in this method, decrease of a voltage increases the current. Decrease of a voltage increases the current. Hence, heat is generated. Hence, more heat is I square R. I square R losses, that is, heat is generated. Okay. So next method, second one is slip control में second method. Second one is rotor resistance. Rotor resistance control. what are we doing in the rotor resistance here? For example, let us see. Torque slip characteristics में, if you remember, मैंने torque slip characteristics ऐसे draw कर दिया, ठीक है? And you can see the maximum. This is S1 max, S1 max for a resistance R2 dash. Now another one, अगर आपने resistance को increase कर दिया, आप बढ़ाओ resistance, you increase it. So what we have seen here now, and I told you, with increase of resistance, you can change the slip at which maximum torque occurs. Say this is S2 max. So your resistance क्या है? R2 double dash. R2 double dash is greater than R2 dash. Maximum तो same है, दोनों का max torque is kind of maximum. R2 double dash is greater than R2 dash. So what I am saying here now, and to maintain the maximum torque, this has to be 2. R2 dash by S1 max is equal to R2 double dash by S2 max. ये तो कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए. हमने क्या किया है, रेसिस्टेंस को इंक्रीज कर दिया, तो स्लिप क्या होना चाहिए रेशियो मेंटेन करने के लिए? So slip has to be increased so that speed decreases. So overall, what is happening? With increase of rotor resistance and the slip is increasing and the speed is decreasing. So in rotor resistance control method, rotor resistance is increasing, slip increasing, speed is decreasing. That's a rotor resistance control method. Please mention that point. Increase of a rotor resistance, increases the slip, hence speed can be decreased. Okay. So copy that. So next one is, third one is that injection of EMF into rotor circuit. Injection of EMF into rotor circuit मतलब क्या होता है? I know torque equal to 3 omega s SV square, or I would say here now I2 dash whole square by R2 dash by S. I square R is a loss or power, I would say here now. If you maintain the torque constant, what we are doing R2 square so I2 dash square R2 dash. So what I'm doing is injection of EMF means some EMF is inducing E into I, numerator plus addition kar diya. So what will happen? S dash. When numerator get increases, denominator also should kind of increase. So the torque is maintained constant. What is the rotary equivalent here, by the way? Rotary equivalent circuit is, see here now. This is the rotary equivalent circuit. So E2, okay, E, rather I would say X2 dash, this is R2 dash by S. Normal additional resistance increase करेगा, लेकिन अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, एक और source of same frequency of E, so that then maybe current is entering is I. Both currents are same, I2 dash and I are same. So you would say I2 dash. So when this current is kind of going, when the numerator is increased, depends upon polarity, plus या minus, plus या minus. So extra voltage को हमने rotor circuit में increase कर दिया, ताकि numerator अगर मान लो increase हो गया, slip increase होगा. Meaning, if plus E2 I2 dash is used, what will happen? Slip increases, speed decreases. So another one is if minus E2 I2 dash is used, minus है ना, so denominator में slip को क्या करना, कम होगा, speed kind of increases. ये समझ गया? See, one of the reasons, see, look at how difficult to understand, how difficult to implement here, speed control. इतना सारा difficulties है speed control of induction motor में, इसीलिए हम traction में, railway में, why still we are going with the DC machine? We are using DC motor because speed of the DC motor, speed control of a DC motor is very simple. To control the speed of induction DC motor is very simple. Just that increase the resistance, decrease the speed here now, and then decrease the voltage and decrease the speed here now, and the flux is kind of decrease and increase here. Such a simple thing we are doing in the DC motor. Whereas here in this case, it is very difficult to kind of control the speed. Speed control of induction motor is very difficult compared to the DC motor. So we are not preferring practically also induction motors. Induction motors also not preferred practically. Is that clear, guys? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Just copy this one. So these are the things I told you. I mean, plus minus, मतलब a possibility. अगर polarity ऐसा connect कर दिया, तो positive numerator रख दिया था आपने. It depends our connection, right? So if this is the scenario, S decreases. Always the condition is to make I T constant. T constant को रखना है. इसलिए numerator increase होगा, denominator decrease होगा, right? So now out of speed control, speed का equation मैंने ऐसा ये दिया. So now n equal to 1 minus s into ns. Okay. So slip control में 3 varieties है. Now we'll move on to the ns control. ये slip का control हो गया. So what is the slip decrease कर दिया तो speed increase होगा. That's a common, makes sense, right? Even you might have seen here now. Torque versus slip characteristics में, torque versus slip characteristics we can see here now. This is s equal to 1 when n equal to 0, s equal to 1 or 0, n equal to ns. Do you agree with me? S equal to 0 when n equal to s, s equal to 1 n equal to 0. So you can see here now, as the slip is kind of increasing in this direction, speed increases in opposite direction. Both are kind of opposite, you can see. Right? So slip when it's, I can't say inversely proportional, but yeah, definitely not in inversely means something like we need to say here now, n is something like that, but this is not the direct relationship. So but definitely n equal to 1 minus s into ns, and where the the slip is kind of increases, the speed is kind of decreases here. So we'll go with a kind of another method. Another मतलब ये slip control में मतलब तीन varieties हैं हमको, kind of whatever I have mentioned, voltage control and rotor resistance increase decrease changes and injection of EMF. Another one is, as I mentioned, NS. How do you control the NS here now? Slip control. I want to see the slip control. Sorry. NS control. How do you maintain this NS here now? NS, which is equal to 120 F by P. So in this case, as the frequency increases, so you can see here now, as the frequency increases, decreases, I can do that. So NS can be decreased. How the frequency can be increase, decrease? Frequency, you have to use a kind of cycloconverter. So frequency changes. First one is, other I would say here. So when the frequency is kind of decreased and NS is kind of decreased, N is decreased. Or frequency is increased, NS is increased, N is increased. How do we do that? This can be done. Frequency has to be converted, frequency has to be reduced or increased by cyclo converter. Second one is pole changes. Poles. How do we change the poles here now? Number of poles, as you can see here now, pole increases, increase of a pole, NS decreases. When NS decreases, I told you already, 1 minus N equal to 1 minus S into NS. When NS is kind of decreased, N is decreased here. So I hope you understand this point. Poles are increased, NS decreased, NS decrease, N decreases. Similarly, poles can be decreased, NS increases, N increases. But how do you change the poles here now? Number of poles, for example, change of pole number. For example, if you see here now, आप मान लो कि ये वाला into the plane है, ये out of the plane है, into the plane है, out of the plane. Now what will happen? The flux direction. How the flux directions you can see here now? Grip, right hand grip rule. आप thumb ले लो. Thumb is the current direction. So, and the curling fingers are down direction. You can see thumb is going inside. So the flux is kind of for this one is coming down. And thumb is up in this case. And the flux is kind of going up, down like this. जो भी flux इधर आए ऊपर जाना चाहिए ना, curling fingers. You can see the flux. Is a right hand grip rule. Thumb का direction, flux का direction. जो भी current का direction, curling fingers, flux का direction. So ऊपर जाएगा. And again you see here now same thing. And similarly here and similarly here, this will be kind of going like this. Another will be there. इसका मतलब क्या है? ये वाला है ना? So this is a north pole. For example, coming down, going up is south. North here now south. Two north, two south. Of course, even number होना चाहिए. Now what I do here now, only one change I'll make it out. Only one change I'll make it out. That is, you can see here, only the current direction. मान लो इधर देख लो current. This is into the plane. Just only rest of the things same. Only this one. I'll make this inside. I'll make this inside. Only out. Three are in. I mean into the plane. One is out. So what will happen here now? Number of poles has kind of reduced. So this is reduced. Let us see. All these three of the same nature, right? So these are same nature. Flux is kind of coming down, and this is kind of coming down. So this other pole will be formation of pole will be here. So this is one pole. There will not be any unipolar. So this will be going this side. This is going this side. Evala circular hai, another pole is formed here. So north and south, north to south, north south. So four pole has changed to two pole here now. Four pole. So this is what I have. So let us solve one problem here. Please copy that. So one problem. Yeah. So one small problem will do it. Four pole, 50 hertz and slip equal 0.04. And the rotor resistance is R2 dash equal to 2, for example. So if the rotor resistance is increased, write down this one. If the rotor resistance is increased to a value 3 ohm, if rotor resistance is increased up to a value 3 ohm, find the speed of the induction motor. Find the speed of the induction motor. साहू I repeat the point. मंदुषा, you there? So मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब 4 पोल वाला 50 है, स्लिप 0.04 है. पहला आप क्या करना, आप इसका स्लिप निकालो, इसका स्पीड निकालो. इसका ये मोटर का स्पीड कितना होगा? n इक्वल टू 1 माइनस एस, एन एस मान लो 1 माइनस 0.04. एस कितना होगा? 120 f by p. व्हाट इज ns? ns कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. ns इज 120 50 by p पोल. सो टोटल 1500 होगा. सो 1500 1 माइनस 0.04 1500 कितना आ रहा है साहू? 0.96 into 1500 होगा. Manusha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please can you tell me this one 0.96 1500. आप ये बस कैलकुलेट करना. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए, मतलब पहले कितना स्पीड में है? जब हमारा स्लिप 0.04 है, जब हमारा रेजिस्टेंस 2 ओम पे, उस समय हमने कितना स्पीड पे चालू हो रही है वाला मोटर. तो बाद में क्या मैंने तो रोटर रेजिस्टेंस को बढ़ा दिया. एक्सीलेंट साहू, वो तो 1440 आरपीएम का है. सो मैं ये क्या बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब अगर रोटर रेजिस्टेंस को इंक्रीज कर दिया 3 ओम, तो इसका स्पीड क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द स्पीड व्हेन द रोटर रेजिस्टेंस बिकम्स 3 ओम हियर नाउ? मैंने क्या बात है, कौन सा कंट्रोल है ये वाला? रोटर रेजिस्टेंस का कंट्रोल है. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज सॉल्यूशन. सो ओनली मेक श्योर दैट R2 dash by S 1, R2 double dash by S double dash. बस you just maintain this. मतलब ये क्या होगा, R2 dash is 2 upon 0.04. ठीक है, ये वाला 3, and what is this one? That's all. Please calculate this S double dash. ये S double dash को कैलकुलेट करो बस. 3 by 2.04. ये कितना आ रहा है? मंजुषा, Just tell me the 3 by 1.5.04. Just tell me that. And then you can find the speed.
0.06 sir.
How much?
0.06.
Okay, fine. So हमने स्लिप को कैलकुलेट कर दिया. हमने स्लिप को कैलकुलेट कर दिया. अभी हमको क्या चाहिए? अभी स्पीड चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ये वाला रोटर रेजिस्टेंस का ये वाला गेट में पूछा है, ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो भी हमने कर रहे हैं गेट में पूछा है, लेकिन जस्ट दैट आई हैव चेंज द वैल्यूज हियर नाउ. मेथड तो सेम है, वही है. R2 by S equal to R2 by S इक्वेट करना. सो 0.06 आ जाएगा इधर. तो स्पीड कैलकुलेट करो. N equal to 1 minus S into NS. So just here now 1 minus S definitely 0.05. N is equal to 1500. ये कितना वैल्यू आएगा?
$14.10 sir.
So yeah 1410 RPM. So मतलब पहले हमको 1440 पे था, अभी 1410 आ रहा है. So is that clear guys? And with this our the 3-phase induction motor is done, and tomorrow we can start the single phase one. You please copy that one guys. Is it clear, Sahu, by the way?
Yes sir.
Okay, fine, then I'll stop the session and you may log off, and tomorrow we can start a single phase induction motor, and tomorrow it will be done, complete machines will be done, right? And we are pending with only the network analysis, which is afternoon class. Okay, then thank you Sahu, thank you Manjusha. I'll keep the
Okay, sir.
screen some more time, then you can copy if you want. I'll be there for some more time.